Good day, everybody. Welcome once again to Flicker Brains. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing guys the tips and trick I use in loading my AdSense account. And for those of you that are my students, we have an update currently we have made on our loading method. So stick around to this video because I'll be sharing you guys some little updates that we made so far. Okay, and also in the description box below, you can reach out to me so that we'll discuss and I'll give you the method. Okay, so you can see on the screen so far, you can see this is a partnership account. I'm working with someone. This account, I started working on this account early last month, and this account has been facing a lot of ad limits on this particular account since it was created. There was even an ad limit. The guy told me that the ad limit has been placed on the account since February. For a long time. It was released around August. So we started loading this account last month, and you see we loaded the account peacefully without having any issues, and we shared the revenue of $4,000 this 21st. And you can see so far this month, you can see we have loaded $9,000. This is roughly $10,000, and we are still working on the account as I speak right now. Even today so far, you can see what we have done. We have made roughly $900 on the account. You can look from our performance here. You can see the page views, you can see the impression, you can see that the method is effective and is working perfectly fine. A lot of people were complaining to me. There is a little short I posted. A lot of people were complaining that they are facing deductions in their account. A lot of people came to my DM complaining of deductions. And I'm telling you that this method in particular, the one I'm showing you guys, the update we made so far, you won't face any deduction. That was what I used. I loaded it with this method last month and we received payments. You understand? We received payments with the method. So this method is a fully verified method that once you work with it, you won't face any issues with your account. You can see so far what we have done. You can see the performance. You can see that this is a real earning. Let me refresh this. You see it's a real life AdSense dashboard. So guys, if you want to learn how to do this, you want to learn how to work on your account without facing any issues, without facing deductions on your AdSense account, click on the description box below. Secondly, if you have a huge account that have received massive payments in the past and you want us to partnership on that account and share revenue, make sure when you're coming, make sure your account has received more than 5 times payments received. If your account has received more than 5 payments received, bring that account for partnership. We are going to work on that account this coming months. We will share revenue together. Okay? Have a nice day, everybody. Once again, if you're new to this channel and you want to be getting updates on loading method, click on the description box below for our contacts, for more inquiries, and also click on the subscribe button so you get any updates we have made so far. Okay? Have a nice day, everybody.